This is going to be the next build on the truck here. When I get done with the other Kenworth, I'm going to start on it pretty soon. But this is a 76, I think, W900A. It had a, it's got a 1673 engine in it. But the thing is, it's not a 1673. Like the old 1673 that was just like a 1693 that was a dual overhead cam engine. This is the 3306 with a 1693 sticker across the top of it. But I guess it was a later year for this engine, but it's got the pre-cups in it just like the 1693 would have. But if you notice, it's got the valve cover for a 3306. But just kind of a walkthrough. You can see how much of the truck is left. It's got an engine in it, no transmission. It's inside of the cab. The floorboards are going to be replaced. I got the hood over here in the weeds. It's a pretty good starter truck. It's got pretty good bones. I got a single axle rear end that's going to go underneath it. If y'all have seen the Ford, the F800 Ford that's on the channel, you'll see a service bed that's on the back of it. I'm going to retire that truck and basically build another one from scratch. But this is an air ride cutoff here. This is a 332 gear ratio, so I'll have a 13 speed, a 400 big cam Cummins, and that 332 ratio with air ride suspension. This truck here doesn't have any power steering on it either. But I got a couple old trucks here. There's a C500 right here. The old construction truck. It's parts now. This was another W900 here. This is the one I robbed parts and pieces off the hood. The hood was in pretty bad shape on it. It's busted up real bad. But that's an engine that's going to go on a future project there. That's a 1693 4 1/4 cat. But projects. I'll get to them one day. If you notice, this truck here doesn't have any power steering. I got another gearbox in the shop I'm gonna put in it. But I got all the mounts and all. I got another radiator for it. So I'm gonna build this truck when I get done building the other trucks. So check it out in the future.